abeji kurugwa mu district ya Bushenyi bashabirwa gumana beyikerezamo kibahwero kuba basinguzi omushomo yabo,
because now we are preparing ourselves for examinations, UVTAB examinations. Utilize this time from today up to 21st for technical students and up to 28th for business. Something can happen. God can do a miracle.
aha mukorogu habiriho no kurahiza bebembezi babeji ahari BVI omuri Bushenyi.
Read by example, both academically, spiritually, you must read as example.
Tubasize nyina basomesa banje na nimwe mwataho ki aganye mwene kumurarga atotagaruke nyuma uyongero necho tobe icho butaka kwasira ugire ki nacho chikwati.
I leave you with these few values or key things that you can do such that you can be successful in life. One is all about God-fearing, hard-working plus discipline. You will soon satisfy. You try them.
Urukwebembera beji ahari BVI Arosias Mugabe agambire byabeji bakoze ro kwika businguzi omwaka ogwo gw'2025.
During my term of office, for the first 2 weeks, I abolished alcoholism in this institution and encouraged students to start doing productive work.
Umuganda makuru abazeire bashaka kwejumbira mu kushomesa abana imirimo y'emikono mu buryo bwo kucendeza ibura ry'emirimo ya office. Ebine birukiraho byagambirwa Uganda Matazi Church Mbarara omukushabira beji ba senior 6 abarutandika ebuzo byabo nyenchakare.
For God's temple is holy, and that temple is you. The Lord is good. So we are God's temple. We are made into the body of Christ. We are made into Christ. We are Christians.
Curriculum abarukundeba curriculum mu secondary school ejire yahinduka kabanza kuhinduka ha senior yakana konkatana na senior 5 na hindukire ejiro mu kitweta competence based curriculum abana dubegesa skills binekora za projects buri subject bakushomeye kubene project kugira ngo bagire cyo babasa gukora
hagira abana babishije gushoma kuba aho kwa nitwikiriza umwana umushya shomire naye nece ekinto kinda cyo kuzimba ihanga nitureba ba prime minister bitu basipika bona n'abakazi haza bakoze ibintu by'amani no kukiza yabashija.
Ahabwa TV West Ndisande William na Abraham Muganza.